morning, guys. I just woke up, but it's my birthday. I'm 21 today. So I'm like really excited. I'm ugly right now, but like forget that, just listen to my voice. So once my mom wakes up, we're making mimosas. I'm literally so excited. I'm lit, I'm ready. So I'm just gonna do my makeup for like the daytime because I'm going out with Cole for dinner later, and then I'm gonna redo my makeup for that. So I thought I would just film me getting ready for the day but not the night, because I'll be at his house when I get ready for the night. So I figured I would just do this for you guys. So I think I'm just gonna do a simple look, or maybe I'll do like my pink look as well. I'm not sure yet. I gotta figure it out. But I'm gonna do my foundation and everything first. You guys don't need to see that because you literally see it every time. It's the same thing I do every single time. But I actually want to talk about this product real quick. I don't know if I've talked about it on my channel yet. So I was looking for a really good primer. Your girl is really dry here, like right here. I guess, I don't know what that's called. I was thinking my T-zone, but that's my T-zone. I'm really dry in this area all the time. I have like alligator skin, that's what my mom calls it, because she has it too. In my house, you either have like really oily or really dry skin, and I got the really dry. So I was looking online for like a really good primer, and I found this, and it was like $5, and I wanted to try it, and like it's pretty good. So it's the NYX Hydro Touch Oil Primer Touch Dehydration Base. So this is what it looks like. Let it not focus on me anymore. That's what it looks like. I can't put it on right away and then put my foundation on right away, because then it doesn't like stick to my foundation. I put this on, like do a couple things for like 10 minutes and then come back and do my makeup, and it looks really, really good. It is a little oily, which is obviously like it's an oil, so it's gonna be oily. So I don't use it a lot of it. I use like a tiny drop or two, and I do it in the main areas that I get dry, and then I'll just wipe it throughout the rest of my face, which I think works best for me anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, and then we're gonna curl my hair, and then we'll do my makeup. So it lets it sit and everything. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my eye makeup from last night. So when I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna be ugly. But I use the Publix brand makeup remover. I don't know about you guys, but the Neutrogena, and there's another one, I can't remember, they burn the crap out of my eyes. Like, burn them to, like, they're burnt. So I don't use those. I had to find an alternative. I used to use Olay all the time, and then they got rid of the one that I used, and it was like perfect. It didn't like burn me or anything like that, which was really nice, but then they got rid of it, so I had to find a dupe. So I got this one, and it works fine, and I use it now. So we're gonna go ahead and take off my makeup, and I'm gonna stop talking. Just took my makeup off, and I put the oil on my finger. I don't know if you can see that. I literally use the tiniest amount ever. Tiniest, rub it, and I start here, and I work my way out, and I go like down. A little bit up here, a little bit down here, like that. And I got a little too much on one side, and I'll go like this and bring it to the next. And there we have it. And now we wait. Guys, so I'm going to curl my hair now. I'm using the New Me something. I don't know what kind of straightener, curling iron it is, but I need help. Mine, when the wire moves a certain way, it turns off. That happened to the blue one I had, and it like stopped working altogether. So I got this one not even a couple months ago, and it's doing the same thing. So like I don't know what to do, and it's pissing me off, and I'm just trying to curl my hair, and it decides to shut off on me, and it's really freaking annoying. So I'm gonna use Pantene Heat Primer thermal heat protectant. I need to find a scrunchie. I don't know where I put one, so I'm gonna have to go find it. So I'm gonna split it into the section that I want. And I used to do it like one section at a time, but now I kind of do like a crown section at a time, if that makes sense. Just because I think it gives more volume to the curls, and I want a lot of volume today because it's my birthday and I want it to look good, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing. We're gonna take this, we're gonna spray each section separately to make sure that they get covered, because I already have damaged hair as it is. If we can prevent it just a little bit longer, we're gonna do that. So it heated up already. I usually do it at 370. Sometimes I will go even up to 390 to 410. And I'll take a section like this and just go like that and hold it on there for about 10 seconds maybe. Not even, I don't know. I kind of just eyeball it. I've been doing this for so long. I kind of just eyeball it and hope for the best. I don't even count anymore. Like I used to count all the time, and I'm like, there's no point in counting. So now we hold it and we wait. And we're gonna go ahead and do that with the entire head. Okay guys, so I finished curling my hair. I got my mimosa with me. Love that for me, I'm so excited. It's actually really gross, I don't like it, but whatever. I just finished my hair. It took me a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, highlight, and then I'll get back to you when it's time for me to do my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so I finished all my foundation and everything. I kind of look like a ghost, but ignore that. I honestly forgot I was filming and almost started doing my eyes because I'm filming a TikTok as well. So like, you know what I'm saying? So let's get you guys closer, up closer and personal. Hey, I'm ugly. We're gonna be doing actually a simple brown eye makeup look because I'm gonna be taking it off later anyway. So we're just gonna do brown. I'm using the James Charles palette here. And we're gonna go with the lightest shade of brown that they have. Tap it off for Raven, because he doesn't like when I don't tap my brushes off. And we're just gonna put it in the crease. I don't know if you could see that. I feel like you can never see. Oh dang, I'm gonna make a TikTok too. I gotta add the clip into my TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, it's in the description below. I gained like almost 100 yesterday, love that for me. So, oh. Is it good? Yeah, cool, okay. So we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna go with the darker color in the crease too and blend it out. And then we're gonna do a shimmer on top. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna do the other side. The lighter color. Oh, okay, so I have come to the conclusion that mimosas are gross. I don't like it, but I shall finish it, but I'm just not living for it. So now I have my darker brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. Take the dark brown, like this. Like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our concealer and put it on the lid. So we can put our sparkly eyeshadow over it. Just like that. And then we're gonna take a sparkly shade. It doesn't matter what sparkly shade you use. I'm gonna go with the highlighter ones. And I go. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. There we go. And then I'm going to take the lightest highlighter and put it right here. Here. And on the inner corner. Here. And that is our simple brown eyeshadow look that we shall be doing today. And then we're gonna do eyeliner, but I'm gonna do that off camera because when I do eyeliner on camera, it stresses me out and I don't do it good, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished my eyeliner and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my mascara. I look so pale and I don't know why, and I look so tired and I don't know why, so love that for me. I look so bad in this video, I'm sorry guys. Please forgive me for my ugliness. It's okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that stuff and then we will be all done. So this is the finished look for today. Like I said, this is just for the day and then I'm taking it off and we're doing it tonight. What?
You're doing it again?
Yeah, this isn't what I'm wearing out tonight.
That's what, okay.
Yeah. What?
Nothing.
So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.
Like, subscribe,
bye.
turn notifications on.